If you're building a Webflow site in 2025 and wondering how to take it from pretty good to seriously powerful, this is the video for you. We've worked with 300 plus Webflow clients, from early stage startups to enterprise teams. And these are the plugins and extensions we actually use to make websites faster, smarter, and easier to manage. Let's jump in. Optibase. This is one of the best apps we've ever used. If you're serious about improving conversion rates without breaking your current flow, Optibase is a must. It's an A/B testing and personalization platform made specifically for Webflow. It helps marketing teams test variations of headlines, call to actions, layouts, and even subtle UI changes without needing a full redesign. MemberStack, a Webflow membership app, for example, ran experiments on their homepage hero copy and CTA buttons. Without changing the structure of the site, they managed to increase signups by 33% in just 2 months, generating $500,000 in projected annual increase in lifetime value because of it. The best part is, figuring out these changes without Optibase could have taken weeks collaborating with the dev team and a lot of money spent. Optibase also calculates sample size and test duration for you, so you're not just guessing. With Optibase, they could get everything for the cost of a couple $100 a year. Webflow AI Builder. If you're building from scratch, or just want to create previews for website pages fast, Webflow's native AI builder is surprisingly useful. You input a few lines about your business and it generates a full site structure, page copy, and design elements that match your brand style. It's not perfect, but it gives you a visual foundation to iterate on. And it integrates directly with Webflow's ecosystem, which means you're not starting over later. Now keep in mind, this tool probably won't be able to create a whole website for you, especially if your use case is more complex, like a SaaS or enterprise, but it's great for rapid prototyping or creating previews when you need to move fast. Now, if the Webflow AI website builder doesn't work for you, there's also 3 more options you can choose from. Relume. Relume is like an AI-powered wireframe factory. You type in what kind of page you want, for example, SaaS pricing page with testimonials and FAQs, and it generates a clean layout and component structure. It works great for design sprints. You can export everything to Figma or Webflow, and the structure is solid enough that your design and dev teams aren't stuck reinventing layouts every time. Relume is ideal for startups with tight deadlines, agencies or freelancers, useful for design or prototyping sprints, and marketers that know what kind of page they want. If you're a SaaS, fast-growing startup, or an established enterprise company ready to stop wasting time hunting for developers and start shipping Webflow work faster, let's make it easy. At Flowout, we've helped 300 plus startups and enterprise companies scale their businesses with Webflow, including Sequoia, Jasper, Riverside, Clearbit, Stripe, and others. You get an entire Webflow team, designers, developers, project managers, without the cost or hassle of hiring in-house. We handle everything: landing pages, full site builds, custom code, integrations, even urgent changes that need to go live overnight. So whether you're scaling a SaaS site, migrating from WordPress, or running enterprise level campaigns, our process is built to plug right into your workflow. Click the link, book a quick demo, and let's turn your Webflow wishlist into reality. Second option is Figma AI. If you are already working in Figma, their new AI features help generate layout ideas based on prompts. Think Hero for FinTech tool or About section with timeline. It saves you time during brainstorming and gives your team a solid first draft to refine. If we were under tight deadline pressure, we would use this for campaign-specific landing pages. It eliminates the blank canvas syndrome and helps your designers get a working prototype ready faster. It's ideal for marketing teams for specific campaign launches, fast-moving in-house design teams, and startups under pressure. Finsweet Components. This is our go-to for designing fast. Finsweet's component library is massive. Sliders, navbars, modals, pricing tables. All performance optimized and accessibility friendly. We've built 300 plus Webflow sites, and we've worked on projects where Finsweet components were crucial in moving faster. You plug them into your site, style them to match your brand, and you're done. It's especially useful for sites that need to launch fast and scale content quickly. Finsweet is ideal for agencies or freelancers with deadlines, startups that need to scale content, and users who care about performance. Now, you can design your site fast, but if there's no content on it, or if it's just bad, very out of brand content, it's not going to help your site get discovered at all. Or it might even alienate the visitors that do come. So the next app is Jasper AI. Jasper is your AI writing assistant. But what makes it powerful is that it actually learns your brand voice. You can feed it existing pages, copy, blogs, even your tone. And it uses that to write on brand content across your site. We've used Jasper to generate everything from hero headlines to full landing pages and blog posts optimized for SEO. It also integrates with tools like Surfer SEO for keyword-rich content and works well if you're scaling landing pages across different campaigns or geographies. It's not a replacement for great messaging, but it's a huge accelerator. Syncmate. Syncmate is a powerhouse for syncing external data into Webflow. Whether it's job listings in Greenhouse, product specs in Airtable, or case studies in Notion. It pipes everything directly into the Webflow CMS using APIs. Here's how it works. You define what data you want to sync, map it to your CMS collections inside Webflow, and let Syncmate do the heavy lifting. It pulls new content in automatically or on a set schedule, so you never have to manually update things again. It's built for companies that manage large amounts of content across tools, like marketplaces, job boards, e-commerce, or B2B SaaS with a resource center. Now, all of these plugins won't help you much if your conversions are low, since conversions are what create a profitable company in the first place. So, in the next video, I'm going to show you what we've learned from A/B testing 300 plus sites on Webflow and how you can increase conversions fast at a very low cost. See you in the next video.